Cheers, it's Saturday, we're drinking. Oh. Ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Oi, oi. Oh.
Cheers, it's Saturday, we're drinking. Oh, good Saturday. Oh man, I really wanted to try this. 2 teaspoons of chili powder seemed like a lot. We might be able to cut that down. It all depends on how it tastes. It did say you could add salsa at the end. I chose picante. The original picture showed a little bit of sauce on the bottom. I think that was the salsa. I'm not sure. They didn't explain too much. Original recipe is in the description. I chose Greek pitas because they felt soft. I think we have to take a bite. Let's do it. Tofu Fajita Pita. Mmm. Mmm. That's very tasty. I love alfalfa sprouts. It reminds me of dojos. Let's take another bite, man. Tofu Fajita Pita. That's freaking delicious. Oh, Sada's drinking a lot of wine today, man. Cheers, it's Saturday. We're drinking. We're gonna take another bite. It's holding together. Holy moly. The pita is nice and soft. That's freaking delicious. Wow. Oh. Yummy. Oh. It's falling apart now. Cheers. It's Saturday. We're drinking. Oh, this was good. I'm happy. That's it. Thank you for joining me this Saturday. Oh, I can taste the spice. There's a bit of heat coming through. Where's the heat coming from? The pepper and the chili? I'm really enjoying this. You can pick whatever kind of pita you want. They said you could even use tortillas. Thanks for joining me this Saturday. Wow, it's spicy. It really came in with a spice. You know what I'm going to say. What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. I'm really happy. All I need is some chocolate. I need chocolate. I need chocolate.